Hello student, I hope your preparation is going good. There is update which is coming from the Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is HPCL. They have released the recruitment for the different post of engineering related to your degree, related to your diploma, related to your safety post. So if you are eligible, then definitely apply for these posts, and pay and perks are very good, and also you will get the different allowance from this organization. So let's begin with the advertisement which they have published on official websites. So the date from the starting of the application from 23rd June 2022, and last date for the online application was 22nd July of 2022. And the post which they have mentioned over here for the mechanical engineer under the grade of E2, having 103 vacancy, and there is one condition which is very bad, and the condition was your age, maximum age will be 25 years, and if you cross that, then you are not eligible to apply for this position. These vacancies already appear in last year, and most of the students are not eligible due to the age issue. So if you are fulfill the age criteria, definitely you will apply for this post, because there is no gate score required for this position, and only you need to appear for the written examination along with the interview for the grade E2. So they have mentioned like you need to have a 4 years of regular engineering degree, and you do not require any experience. Similarly, going ahead with the electrical engineering under the grade of E2, 42 vacancy are there. For the instrumentation engineering, having 30 vacancy. For the civil engineering, having 25 vacancy, and all the 4 posts having age criteria of 25 years. If you go ahead with the chemical engineering, then chemical engineering having 7 posts, information safety officer having 5 posts. And going ahead with the safety officer of Uttar Pradesh, they have mentioned few criteria of eligibility, like their total number of vacancy was 6 and age was 27. In that you need to have a 4 years of regular engineering degree, mechanical, civil, instrumentation, electrical, chemical. Along with that, you need to have a degree or diploma in industrial safety recognized and considered by the state government of Uttar Pradesh, and the candidate must be possess the adequate knowledge of your Hindi language. So these 3 conditions if you satisfy, then you can apply for the safety officer of different state. Otherwise you cannot apply for these posts, because they have mentioned particular condition for these posts. And similarly, what was the degree eligibility in that particular domain? For the mechanical, you have a mechanical degree or mechanical and production degree. Apart from these 2 degree, you are not eligible to apply any other degree. If you have mechanical and mechatronics and industrial and something like that, then you are not eligible for that post. Similarly, for the electrical, they have electrical and electronic, these 2 degrees. And instrumentation, they have mentioned civil, like civil, and chemical information they have mentioned over there. If you belong to same, then definitely read the notification, so that we will get the idea how and what was the degree for these posts. Similarly, for the work experience, for these major posts like degree, they do not require any work experience, but for the other domain, they have mentioned few work experience, which is I think not related to your part. If you go ahead with the salary structure for the E2, you have a basic pay of 50,000 and maximum in the pay range of 1,60,000. And if you consider with the CTC, they have mentioned 16.26 lakhs. Similarly, for the grade C and grade D, they have mentioned for the grade C 80,000 is the basic pay, and if you consider your CTC was 27 lakhs. And similarly, for the grade D, 90,000 was the basic pay, and your CTC was 31 lakhs. These are the basic, and along with the CTC which they have mentioned over there. What was the shortlisting and selection process which they have mentioned? For the shortlisting, you need to undergo the selection process of computer-based tests along with the group task, personal interview, and based on the score, you will select it as a final post for the grade 2. The first CBT consists of general aptitude, technical and professional knowledge. For the general aptitude, you have English language, quantitative aptitude, intellectual potential, that is logical reasoning and data interpretation. For the technical, you have basically degree related to your technical knowledge. Suppose if you are mechanical, then you need to prepare for all the mechanical syllabus of all the gate examinations, so that you will aware what type of question they have asked. I think last year I have already made a video, and few of the students has already cleared these examinations. So if you have any type of query related to CBT, then definitely come up with that, or you can also mention in comment box. I will definitely reply within a short duration. For the CBT, if you try to prepare, then go ahead with the 1 mark question of gate examination and all the question of ESC, which is 1 liner. And if you want, you can also refer PSU examination question paper, which is appear in different examination like NTPC, then NHPC JE, and other state government like UPPSC AE, UPPSC JE, and Odisha JE, like other most of the state government examination, they are referring these questions for the next upcoming examination, and try to prepare for the current affairs and these things, because it is may require for the different posts. As of now, I have mostly covered all the topic related to the exam, and if you think any of the related issue or doubt, freely mention in comment box. You can also join a Telegram channel. The link of Telegram channel is given in the description box. I hope these videos are helpful, and if you think, then do like and share with the friends and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.